Alright, and welcome to the home opener for the Party Llamas, and the 1-2 from Dunn, the no look, and he got him! Strike three. And that's the first out for the Party Llamas. The 2-2, and here's the pitch. Fouled into the zone, strike three. And Dunn walks around the mound in celebration. Dunn is looking for his third strikeout, but he misses for the walk. First. Here's one. Deep. Foul, but Kemp's got it for the third out. And Kemp punts it onto the mound. Now here comes Dunn to the plate. Tichy had a very good shutout in his first game. You wonder what will happen next. Here's the pitch, and it misses inside. Vying for comeback player of the year. And here's the pitch, and he drives one! But it's caught by Blyer.
Hey, nice contact, nice contact.
And it's a 3-2 count on Fisher as Fishy throws it. And the hit leg. Right? Or am I wrong?
I guess. I didn't see. No.
And he strikes out Fisher. And grounded. It's gonna be a tough play, and he bobbles it. Kemp's running to third, and he's in there. Safe. The next batter will be Fisher, and he takes it. Bases are now loaded for Bennett Charles Sanford from him. Here's the pitch, and he flies it. Aaron is there, and he's got him. World Series champion teams facing off. MVP to Cy Young. And here's the, a drive by Tichy. Hitting deep to Fisher, and he's got it foul. And and Max takes it for the walk. For strike. There's, and Blyer drives one. The first hit of the night. Aaron stays at second. Blyer's got a hit. And it's driven to center field. And he got Blyer on the fielder's choice from Michael Tichy. 3-2 still. And he swings and misses. And Dunn gets out of the jam. It is going into the bottom of the second. It is 0-0. A little pun off going out back here as Tichy walks Dunn on a great at bat by Kemp, and Tichy misses inside. An incredible at bat. The pitch swung and missed. Second strikeout of the night for Tichy. Now here comes, and he drives that one center field. Safe at second. Everyone is safe. And the bases are loaded with... He is yet to have a hit on the season. Oh, he fouls that one in. Now it is Fisher up. Bases loaded as Kemp strikes out. As I have a terrible throwback to the pitcher's mound. Here's a pitch. Way swung out and missed. Another jam escaped. What a pitcher's duel we have tonight. And there's a full count on Blyer after getting nailed in the face. And that one hits the outside corner. Henry takes a walk around the mound in celebration. Now, there's a pitch. And it's grounded to Kemp. He throws it way up. And there's a single from Dunn. Drops into the bottom of the zone, and that one will be a strikeout. An impressive night from Dunn. Off of his shoulder, it hit the zone. It is still a ball. And Blyer drives one foul across. Wait, we're doing cross now, right? When it crossed the base. When it crossed, like even past the base. So that is a 3-run shot from Blyer. A big hit in a big moment. And Tichy grounds one to Kemp. He throws. Dropped by Fisher. Would have been a great play.
Go, Nick. Nice play.
Left-handed batters. And now taken in, and it is a walk to Aaron as now the pitch to Blyer launched. It's in the butt. It's in. That was not gone. That did not leave. It is a very long single. Now the pitch fouled and they're swung and missed at. And that will end the inning. Lawnmowers are up 2-0 after a shot by Ben Blyer. But now we go. It just balls.
Yeah, it's true.
That one is a 5-pitch walk to Dunn. That's probably it.
See, I smell that. I noticed the little things.
And that one popped up by Kemp. Caught. Dunn goes back to the base. Fisher's up. He's pretty nasty.
But
Now,
the swing was nasty.
that one.
Can't lie.
Nick is
Same pitch.
dissing the player, his own player. Now here's the pitch. That one grounded.
Run that shit out!
Could be a hit. And it is!
Yes!
Now Kemp comes up. He is now the winning run and could be the last shot tonight for the Party Llamas. 2-0 on Kemp. Swung, grounded. This could be it. And everyone is safe. Bases are loaded for Bennett Fisher. This could be his moment. 1-2 on Fisher. Here's the pitch. Grounded. Everyone is safe.
This is my World Series.
Fall. The 4-2 from Tichy. Dunn is ready. Swung and missed. And the Lawnmowers win the game.
I thought I was gonna come around. That was a perfectly set up.
That was a beautiful pitch to end the game.
Set like the cutter and then that.
Yeah.
Play your game.
Here we are, back. Here we are, back at Ludlow, and Ben Blyer's first start of the season.
I'm about to. I need revenge after that, bro. You should hit my hand at 23 miles per hour. Now I gotta.
And that one grounded weakly. Santa Maria! Oh, he's out! The slowest batter in the league.
That's actually really
Only one man gets out on that, and it is Henry Dunn. No, 2-2. The 2-2 from Blyer. Grounded weakly.
That's a base hit.
No, he misses it.
Of course, Max catches.
Oh, he launches it. Santa Maria, it is caught. A 3-run shot for Dunn. Of course, who else? But gone. Who else but Ben Blyer? I said gone. Because it's like at an angle. Here's the pitch and Blyer. I was good the first game, okay? Then this. That That one grounded.
Run that out, run that out.
He throws. There is no throw, excuse me. And Fisher is up. Due to this performance, you can hear little kids on the street chanting, "The narrative is real. The narrative is real." As that will be an error. All runners are safe. Bases loaded on an error for Bennett Fisher. Quickly going to that one. Oh, missed by Titchy. That'll be a hit. Fisher races home. And he's safe. That will be... Wait, where's Bennett? Are we going first?
No, that's like my 12th piece of contact this
Yeah. That is a walk for Kempf. It's a lobbing yet. That one waved at and missed. Now it is 2 down. Done at the plate. We'll say it's 4-2. That one grounded. Throw the plate. He's safe, actually. Nick beat it. We're someone on third, right? 4-2. That one, okay. That will end the inning. 8 runs. The Lawnmowers have a very mighty offense, though. So if one team can combat, it can be them.
Press box.
You know what I think we should do?
I think we should go to that.
Crushed, gone.
Right.
And that's huge.
All right, Blyer in a solo shot. Nobody told me we started. You should have charged the battery, and as Michael strikes out. Well, I mean, because you hit the home run.
Oh, yeah.
For a little bit. Now you. Launched by Blyer. It's deep. Henry's got it. And that'll be the inning. 2-2 on Fisher. Aaron looking for that pitch again, though, is so nasty. Here it is. Swung and missed. And that's a strikeout for Aaron, his second of the season. 3-1 to John. It rhymes. You know what else rhymes with boner? Homer. Or pop out. The Satchel Paige. 4-0. The pitch. Grounded. Michael is nowhere near the bag, and he's safe. Defensive indifference. The 1-1 to Fisher. Launched high in the air. It's in. And caught. A great inning from Aaron to help the Lawnmowers have a fighting chance. The 1-2. Grounded to Dunn. Titchy's running. And it's a glow into the ground, but it will still be a single for Titchy. Anyways, here's the pitch. Oh, down in the corner. Another strikeout for Kempf. Kempf is looking great tonight, as that's another one. Grounded into the outfield. Blyer rounds first, stays, and Titchy goes to third. It's a 1-out single. To put that one is outside. That one's grounded up the middle. It's gonna be a tough play, and it gets past. Everyone is safe. It is 2-0 or 2-8. Shut the fuck up, Bennett, you piece of trash. As Max walks to load the bases for the very day. A home run does drive in 4. And that will drive in a run, and a home or a grand slam from Titchy could put the Lawnmowers within 1. The 3-2 from Kempf. Swung and missed, and that is the second out. Aaron steps up, or slowly walks up, taking his to everything. That one waved and missed at. And I believe that is strike 3. Lawnmowers strand, the bases loaded. The windup is indeed slow, but you're gonna love it. As Dunn drives one. Gone. Second home run of the season. And it is 9-3. A commanding lead.
I got you. Alright, you take over again.
Because he needs a one dance. Needs a Hennessy in his hand. One more time before he goes. So that we gotta get hit on the floor. J-Lo. There's the, oh, great pick. Out at second. And Kemp runs home. And he's safe. 10-3. Okay. Kemp drives one. Drops the bat. Caught. That is a warning on... Oh, and he's hit a single. Psych! It's an out. What a play! Runners on the corners. And he swings and misses on that one. Ending the inning. They carry a 7-run lead going into the bottom of the third. It's a high. Kemp drops it. Blyer is running a second.
Let's go, Blyer.
Or it's 10-3. I think that's 2. Yeah.
Yeah, it was 2 because Ben.
Full count. That one outside. Bases loaded. No outs for Blyer. 7 runs shy of the... 7 runs shy of... They're just the party Llamas. That one is given a ride. Fair. And 1 run scores. An interesting decision. That one swung and missed at. The pitch from number 10. Oh, Aaron drives it. It's foul. Done as a play, and he's got it. That one given a ride. Nobody's there. Oh, Fisher's there. And that's the game. Lawnmowers lose. And the Party Llamas have won